Hey everyone, Todd here from Huckabones Equipment. I'm a new product specialist here. Today we're going to be talking about the Big Green Egg. I have a history with Big Green Egg. I grill quite a bit, as well as I used to be a rep for them throughout Ontario. So we're going to talk about Big Green Egg. We're going to start with the small ones and work our way all the way up to the big ones. Here at Huckabones, we're a full-line Big Green Egg dealer. We have everything from the egg accessories all the way to lump charcoal. We go right from the Mini Max all the way to the 2XL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the small ones that we have, or the ones that we have here in the showroom. We are missing a couple in the showroom. We're missing a small, a medium, as well as an extra large. Okay, so Big Green Egg started off with this is actually a small, a mini they call it. So it looks exactly the same as any other of the grills. It comes with a grate, comes with your place setter. You put the charcoal in. This particular unit is now discontinued because it's being replaced by the Mini Max. However, we do still have some of these in stock. So if you're still wanting to get a small one, you can certainly get a small. Now this is the Mini Max, and this is very popular because it's fully portable. You can take it wherever you want. If you're going camping, if you're going in your RV, hunt camp, a lot of people who purchase these, they own a large or an extra large Big Green Egg at home, and they still want that grilling experience when they're on the road or when they're on vacation. The stand is collapsible. These shelves are collapsible, and then you can just carry it and take it out. Now it is kind of heavy, so what I recommend is you take all the inside ceramics out so that it's easier to carry. But it's fully portable. I've had one, and we go to the hunt camp. We've taken it all over the place, and it works really well. You still get that great flavor that Mini Max or that Big Green Egg gives you. So we don't have any mediums on the showroom floor at the moment, but what we do have is we have two large that are different. One is in a table, and one is in a stand. And all the main accessories for these two are the same. The nice thing about Big Green Egg, as I mentioned before, is we have a full line of accessories to make this more versatile. And this is the big daddy of them all. This is the 2XL Big Green Egg. It comes in a modular nest. This is by far the biggest barbecue or the biggest grill that they have to offer. So this is our extra large. It's our demo unit here at Huckabones Equipment. We cook on this religiously every Friday for the entire staff. We have at least 20 people here, and this is something that they really look forward to every Friday. So I'm going to go over what is a Big Green Egg and why you should buy a Big Green Egg and what the difference is between a Big Green Egg and propane grills as well as pellet grills. So this is a large that we have here in the showroom. What is so different about a Big Green Egg? It's a Kamado style. So you see other manufacturers that have red, white, green. Now Big Green Egg is the first one to come on the market. They've been established since 1974, and it's a fully ceramic cook. Anything that you can do in your regular oven at home, you can do here. You can grill, you can roast, you can bake, and you can smoke. So Big Green Egg comes with a lot of different accessories, but what Big Green Egg calls them are egg accessories. And they like to really good at branding stuff. The color of Big Green Egg is actually patent, so you're not gonna find another this color green in the grill line anywhere. So how does a Big Green Egg work? Well, first, its fuel is lump charcoal. And you fill the bottom with lump charcoal, you get the fire going. It takes a few more minutes than a standard propane grill, but once you get the knack of it, it doesn't take long at all. And how you regulate the temperature is when you close the lid, we have a regulator up top, and then down below, we have these little vents. So whenever you go to start it, you're gonna want the air to come in, gets the fire going, and it comes out the top. So it probably takes roughly around 15-20 minutes to get an egg going to roughly 300-400 degrees. But you can also run this low and slow at 250 degrees. So if you're doing ribs, or you're doing a brisket, or you're doing a pork butt, you can do it low and slow for a long period of time. If you're looking to do something hot, like you want to do a steak, these will get up to temperatures of over 700 degrees. So if you're just searing a steak, you can do that as well. So a big green egg from the large all the way up to the 2XL. We have what you call here, this is an expander kit. It allows you to do multiple level cooking all the same. So it gives you an extra cooking surface. The top shelf moves back and forth. So the good function about this is you can do pizzas, you can put a pizza on the top, put a pizza on the bottom. If you're grilling potatoes, you can put them up top. If you're doing any type of application, whenever you're cooking that you need multiple levels, this is a very good product to have whenever you're buying a big green egg. So the great thing about a big green egg is its ceramics. It allows you to maintain heat for a long period of time. It also, because we're from Canada, you can use it in the wintertime as well. I run mine in the wintertime. It can be minus 30 degrees outside. Once I get it going, it still holds the heat. You don't lose any heat. Whenever you're baking or whenever you're grilling, it's a really great insulator. When you compare it to a pellet grill or a gas grill, especially in the wintertime, you're not going to get those high temperatures that you want, and you're not going to be able to regulate the temperatures as well. The other unique feature about this is it doesn't need any power. It's fired by lump charcoal. So as long as you have lump charcoal, you can grill all day with these. We can accessorize these big green eggs in a million different ways, but what we are going to show you is some of the different accessories that we have, or egg accessories that we have here in the showroom. So you'll see here a lot of our accessories. We have silicone tip tongs, we have pizza peels, we've got flippers, we have thermometers, which are instant-read thermometers, as well as we have drip pans for the bottom of the ceramics. We also have, this is a pizza stone that we use. A lot of, whenever you're cooking, we have frying pans. I didn't mention this before, but you can use any type. You can do fried eggs in here as long as you have a cast iron frying pan. So a big green egg has skillets, they have cast iron pans, they have pots, they have deep dish ceramic pizza ovens. So this is just a small list of what we have here. And again, like I said before, you can fully accessorize your big green eggs. You can buy tons of different products, and Big Green Egg has done a really good job at expanding their product line. Egg expanding, again, is something that they use quite a bit of. So at Huckabones, because we're a full line Big Green Egg dealer, you can walk out here with everything you need to start your grill that evening. We have lump charcoal, 3 different types. We have hickory, premium hickory and oak. We have natural Brazilian hardwood, and we have Canadian maple. We also have a full line of smoking mesquite chips. We have hickory, apple, mesquite, oak, and then we have the small ones as well. Big Green Egg also has a full line of Big Green Egg spices, Big Green Egg rubs, Big Green Egg sauces. We have cookbooks, cutting boards, igniters, which help you start the Big Green Egg a little bit faster. We will demonstrate that in a later video. We have replacement grills, we have covers. Again, we have everything to get you started and cooking today on your Big Green Egg. So now we've gone through the full line of Big Green Eggs, all the Big Green Egg accessories. If you're looking for a Big Green Egg, come to Huckabones today, and we'll definitely set you up. If you have any questions, please have them in the comments section, and remember to like and subscribe our page.